tell me? Did you think I was stupid?
What are you talking about?
You just gonna lead me on the whole time?
What are you talking about?
What do you think I'm talking about, Ray? Room 40? Going to California?
I don't think you're stupid. Maybe I am.
Kansas federal grand jury was considering indictment against Secretary Rhodes. Questionable affairs.
What happened to you?
Ducks.
Listen, I thought we had an agreement that you weren't going to sell Homer anymore.
Why, is he back?
No. I figured you'd sold him to Daryl again.
I didn't, but I don't think he's coming back anyway. Mom, can we get another animal?
You're kidding, right? We're having a hard enough time taking care of ourselves, and you want another animal?
Well, I'll take care of him, and Ray said it was okay if you don't mind.
I mind. I don't think we can take care of him properly. Just tell Ray no thanks.
Please.
No! Ray, come on, we're talking.
No, Mom, you're talking.
7 degrees. Tomorrow's high until a week.
Switch it! White or yellow? Atta boy! Go! Hello, Ray!
Hey, what are you doing here? Thought you were supposed to be at lunch.
I had work.
You're buffing out the motel, huh?
It's not a motel anymore.
Frank, listen to me. We got more animals here than we can properly care for. We don't want them to starve to death. And what about the ones that are so sick that they can't be cured? The only humane thing to do is to put them to sleep. Understand? I'm sorry. What about these two?
You did them already.
You know, I'm missing a cat, too. I think I'm losing my mind. Why don't you take the rest of the day off, huh?
I'm all right. I'm gonna walk the dogs. Could I take the parrot outside?
Minsky clipping?
No, she says she doesn't need to. He's too old, or somebody bit him or something.
Well, it wasn't me. Woof. Woof. There's a truck. I gotta go.
Doris, it was you.
There you are. Look, isn't it a beautiful hour?
I thought you died or something. I saw the ambulance and your cart was all smashed.
Died? No, that was nothing.
I have your parrot. He was real sick at first, but he's okay now. I have him at the shelter.
Who is this adorable fur person?
That's Bosky.
Oh, hi, Bosky. Bosky. Is Francis your friend?
Somebody left him at the shelter because he sheds or something. I have to find him a new home. I do it for as many animals as I can. It's sort of a special job, you know. Not supposed to talk about it.
Well, Francis, it sounds like it's sort of a big job.
Yeah, but everybody loves animals, so it's no big deal. And me and my mom and my dad have this really big place, so I can keep them myself. Until I find a home that's just right for them.
Well, and Bosky dog, does she have a home yet?
But your parrot, there's this woman who thinks she's
The parrot
hers.
will be fine. Are you giving him his seeds?
Yeah, but...
Good. Now, you were very smart to come and find me. And Francis, here. This is for the animals. Go out and buy them some good, nutritious food. Tell them it was from Doris. If ever you need me, I'll be right here, riding the ponies. Come on, Bosky dog. Do you like feta and tomato? Who loves me loves my dog, right, Francis? Come on, darling. Let's go catch up on another sunset. Bye.
Okay, take it easy, guys.
Uh-oh, red alert.
Hey, Frank, what you doing out there? Come on in here, I need your help.
Okay, you guys, keep quiet in
We'll be
here.
back.
I'll be right back. I'm coming, Ray.
No, I just don't think a dog is going to get it, Raymond.
All right, then, what about a cat?
Oh, a cat. What do cats do? Nothing. I gotta have something with personality.
Yeah, but dogs and cats are what we got to place. That's why we're busting at the seams.
Plenty of time for that garden variety stuff. To start this off with a bang, I gotta have something like that.
Yeah, well, that's a special case.
Ah, is it sick or something?
No.
Ken Banyan, animal specialist, Channel 5.
Frank Phillips.
How you doing, Hank? Bird talk, do stuff?
Yeah, he's real smart.
Perfect. Listen, what's her name? Look, we're set up out front. Why don't you bring her out front and show us what she can do? Helen, want to come in and put some makeup on the kid in case we use him in the shop? This is going to be perfect. Listen, we'll do a dog next week. We'll do a cat. We'll do a salmon. Not me, sweetheart. The kid. Wait a minute. How do I look?
Fabulous.
All right. Guys, let's go. Oh, yeah. I love this business.
Oh.
What a jerk.
The sad fact is, only 20% of the nearly 20,000 animals that visit this shelter each year ever get adopted. Close to 16,000 were euthanized at this facility alone last year. Which brings me to this talkative little girl and this week's feature, abused and battered blue-fronted parrot taken from the wilds too young and who will never fly. Polly, want a cracker? Polly, want to talk? She talks, right, Hank? Huh?
Nay, Frustrum.
Oh, I hope we can say that on the air. What does that mean, Hank? It's Greek to me.
Means Elvis lives.
Elvis lives. Fantastic! And you heard it first right here.
Okay, cut.
Got it? Oh, fabulous. Raymond, you're going to get 1,000 calls. We'll air this next week. You want to get this bird off me, huh? Come on. Jeez. Great job, kid. Great job. All right, guys, let's load it. We got another remote to do today.
What's going on, Ray? This bird can't be adopted. What about its owner?
We haven't heard from her. She's a bag lady. She's probably not coming back.
I don't know about that, Ray. Don't worry. You won't get adopted.